The first in a new series looking into tomorrow's world.
This bike's front suspension copes pretty well with bumpy roads, but look how it dives when I brake. Well, these telescopic front forks have been the traditional way to fit front suspension to motorbikes for years. The trouble is, no one's been able to stop a bike diving so badly when you brake. Just watch the front suspension of these racing bikes, particularly number one, as they approach the bend and apply their brakes. The front dips right down. And that diving makes the bike more unstable and difficult to handle, which may lose vital seconds in a race. Well, they're the experts on road bikes like this. Sudden hard braking can mean a nasty accident. Although bike designers have tried fitting anti-dive devices, the problem really lies with the forks themselves. When I brake, the front forks compress and the wheels actually move closer together. The center of gravity shifts forward and creates havoc with what is basically a delicate balancing act. Well, one British designer believes that the answer to that problem lies in redesigning the chassis to stop those wheels moving closer together. This is built of lightweight tubular steel for racing purposes. Now, the front are absolutely rigid. And if I take out this unit here, you can see the frame more easily. By the use of two rigid wishbones here and here, which pivot at both ends, the frame is able to move separately to the front wheel and the forks. So when you brake, the compression of the suspension is absorbed right back here, and the distance between the wheels stays the same, and so does the center of gravity. Well, the bike dives far less, and it's much easier to handle. So let's have a look at the chassis and its designer, Norman HOSSACK, in action. You'll be able to see the difference in the movement of the chassis, like that. But when he brakes, well, that kind of braking could save a race. And who knows, one day we may see Barry Sheen on a chassis like this. Thank you, Norman.